We just discussed how complex reading is and the amount of cognitive processing that reading requires. So in this video, we will focus on strategies to simplify cognitive processing during reading by employing techniques such as chunking, using glossaries, incorporating visuals, reading aloud, and repetitive reading. We can enhance learners' comprehension and retention. Cognitive processing involves how we perceive, interpret, and understand information. Simplifying the cognitive load during reading is essential for improving comprehension and retention, as it was mentioned earlier. Let's explore the different aspects of cognitive load theory. Cognitive load theory suggests that learners have limited capacity for processing information. So, by simplifying reading materials or the reading process, we can reduce unnecessary cognitive load, allowing for better focus on comprehension. Simplification in reading is crucial as it allows readers to grasp essential concepts without feeling overwhelmed. It leads to increased engagement and supports learners with varying reading abilities. There are specific strategies that can simplify the cognitive processing involved in reading, including chunking information, using visual aids, and simplifying the language. Each method plays a significant role in making the text more accessible and comprehensible for the learners. Let's look at some of these strategies in more detail. Chunking involves breaking text into smaller, manageable sections. For example, reading one sentence at a time, or one paragraph at a time, or one section at a time. Chunking helps readers process information more effectively and reduces the cognitive load. Segmenting text into paragraph or bullet points can also enhance clarity. Glossaries that include synonyms, pictures, and translations can aid readers in understanding unfamiliar words and concepts. Now, with the use of technology, certain words or phrases can be glossed, and students can click or hover the word to see a synonym, a definition, a picture, or a translation of the word. This contextual support ensures that readers are not hindered by challenging vocabulary. Incorporating visuals such as images, diagrams, and infographics can enhance comprehension. Visual aids provide context and can make complex information more digestible for readers. But remember, don't add visuals just for the sake of adding visuals. Only use visuals that support the comprehension of the text. Reading aloud can be a powerful tool for comprehension. It engages multiple senses and can help reinforce understanding, particularly for auditory learners. Nowadays, the teacher can read aloud the text, the students can read aloud, or you can even use technology to read aloud. Reading aloud is a technique that encourages active participation. Revisiting texts multiple times can significantly enhance comprehension. Each reading provides an opportunity for deeper understanding and retention of information, making it easier for the learner to grasp complex ideas. Rereading a text is part of intensive reading. We will talk more about this concept tomorrow, not only intensive, but also extensive reading. Simplifying reading through these strategies leads to numerous benefits. For example, it enhances comprehension, it promotes higher retention, and it builds confidence in readers, particularly among struggling learners and also young learners who are learning to read not only in English, but in their home language. We will talk more about teaching reading to young learners on Thursday. By simplifying cognitive processing, readers can better understand and retain information. These strategies enable effective learning and make reading a more enjoyable experience. We will talk more about how to make reading fun on Friday. When reading is simplified, learners feel more confident in their abilities. This newfound confidence encourages them to engage more with text and develop a love for reading. Again, we'll talk more about how to motivate students to read, enjoy reading on Friday. In conclusion, simplifying cognitive processing in reading through strategies like chunking, glossaries, visuals, reading aloud, and multiple readings can greatly enhance comprehension and retention. Just a note, I've decided to use videos this year and will end each one with a special message for teachers, inviting them to take action or to reflect on a particular topic. Other times, I will provide recommendations or suggestions that you can implement in your classrooms. Today, my message is that your job as a reading teacher is to empower all learners to succeed. By simplifying the cognitive load, you're not just teaching words, you're empowering students to discover confidence, curiosity, and joy in every text. So, how are you going to empower your students? How are you going to support them in transforming their reading experience? Here's your challenge for you. Let's make reading fun. All right, thank you.